Welcome back to Nights in White Canvas. It's still windy here, it's getting us down a bit. This tent would be good in a wind. It's a Vrijbuiter Prestige 6. It's 340 gram 10k cotton. It's the largest and the heaviest storm tent that they do. It's absolutely solid as a rock. Big double door there with windows in. Triangular windows either side with mosquito mesh, and then it's got the optional windows in the sides as well. Here, somebody's put these little shackle clips on here. Some people do this to, I think it's because they can unhook them and take them off when they pack the tent up. Obviously they haven't done it here because they're still on there. It's quite a nice idea anyway, because it means when you roll the tent up there's no metal in it. There's a lot of stuff in here. I've tried to get it out, but there's pine needles and all these little things you can see here. They're all bone dry bits of stuff, and I can't for the life of me get them out. There's a petal there pretending to be a piece of bird poo, and it isn't. But all very good. So a zip-in ground sheet, which is actually zipped into it as we go. Some people pack them away in one piece, but it is lighter and easier if you do them in two. Vents in the sides. It's, well, I'll give all the dimensions in the description. It's a nice big full-on 6-berth tent. There's a very nice square awning there, which is about 1.5 meters deep. Pretty immaculate. And then we've got 3 in a tent with one of these. Sorry, hammock not included. 3. I've tried to fold these out, but I'm a bloke and it's been blowing a wind. It's impossible to make inner tents look nice. I don't know why I bother. I should just hang them up maybe. There are 3 of those, each a double. And we've got a decent set of poles over here. These have basically 4 masts, if you like, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. So you've got 4 big, thick poles. Longer ones at the back, obviously shorter ones at the front. Little bit of scratching around the ends here, obviously signs of use. Separate pair there to hold up the square canopy, all in good order. And then you have these transverse pieces that go between the 4, so you get a big tight metal frame around the roof. So there we are, a Vrijbuiter Prestige 6 in 340 gram 10k canvas. Full information on the description with the sale. No, there was one little, tiny little hole which I noticed just now, and I should point it out, near the, where is it? Near the left-hand front entrance. See a little bit of bird poo there, probably scratched just here, tiny. It's not even the size of a, look there, see, just here. It's not even the size of a of the pin on the end of a pole, so I don't know what happened there. Absolutely minute. I suppose one could put a dab of glue in there. Otherwise, can't find any damage. More dust as I move this thing around. There's just half of the south of France dried in here, I think. But there it is. Only bit of marking really on the front of the canopy, which is where they always get it. A bit of sort of signs of the weather. I mean, there's a bit of a sort of smudge there. Usually that's from somebody's foot, and they've probably a child trod on it. But otherwise, I mean, there's, you know, you can see it's a few tiny dots. That's, if these aren't put up tight, the rain tends to collect in there. It happens with divards a lot. Then you do get a few marks. But the rest of the canvas is all nice again. Any marks you see in the video almost invariably are just dust and needles and bits. The tent is good. Smells good. I had a crawl inside just now. It's got the little plastic flap that comes down over the zip. There it is, Prestige 6. I'm going to pack it up now. Thanks for watching.